Good evening.
Good evening.
Alright, okay, so where are you tonight?
We are continuing our holiday, even though we're back here. We're celebrating the fact that we should be flying back tonight from Florida by going to a restaurant called Einstein's.
Yeah, we were booked in at the Biergarten, whatever it's called, in EPCOT, weren't we? So we thought, oh, there's one in Chesterfield.
Yeah, so it's all German food, bratwurst, knockwurst, so their best sausage will be their wurst. And we'll see what we've been for my birthday last year. We know it's really good, so but we never filmed it. So we're going to try and vlog a little bit of it, at least to show the outside and around. Just we can do a bit of a review, but you'll see where we've been.
Yeah. Okay, bye for now.
Yep. See you later.
Bye from the Spy Town.
Okay, that's Einstein's. I'm going to zoom.
That's where we're going.
There we go.
Einstein's.
This is the drinks menu, and if you can read that little writing
In white on a brown background.
tiny, you are Einstein.
Yeah, we'll have to ask which
That's old from. Yeah, it's yeah, not good.
Yeah.
That menu is fine.
Yeah. Menu.
Menu. It's cool.
Yeah.
Flip it me over.
Burgers.
Yeah, I mean that's perfect. You can read all that, but
That's nice.
is it good?
Very nice, yeah. It's pay as you go then.
Yeah.
£8 for 2 drinks.
Yeah.
That's a no heato, no alcohol in it whatsoever. That was £6.
So we're working out that must be about 2.
So, what did you order?
This is the wurst platter.
I think it looks alright.
It looks the best. 4 different sausages. Look at in the true Vic Reeves style for those who remember. Look at the size of that sausage. Chunky chips, you got fries, sauerkraut. Although I thought you was quite happy. And you've got?
I've got chili chicken without the bun.
Should be a burger, but
Should be a burger, chicken burger. I got sweet potato fries and coleslaw. Yeah. You have got some additionals to come, haven't you?
yeah, I've got some onion rings. And it does look good.
It does look good actually, yeah. Just to say, we are a bit disappointed with the restaurant. The food's amazing, but everything's been pay as you go. And these 2 drinks, £8.
Yeah,
No alcohol. It's like, seriously?
Yeah, the table's got a number on it, so why we just can't have a tab like a normal restaurant, I have no idea.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. But the food does look amazing.
Yeah.
I'll film it in a minute when we've got the onion rings.
Yeah. So an update, we're actually going to tuck into this because even though I did say I'll have the wurst platter with a side order of onion rings, we didn't get them, and because it's not in your tab, because we're paying as you go and you don't get a receipt, we had no idea that she hadn't charged for them. So I had to pay for them, and now they're on the way. So, nearly down mark, I'm afraid. Okay, we got our salt and vinegar, not quite what we expected, but still. Onion rings do look good, as the food tastes and looks amazing. It looks great,
Absolutely amazing.
and it is, tastes wonderful, but we'll have to think about it and give you a proper review in a bit.
Where have we just been?
Been to Einstein's, behind me.
Yeah. What did you think?
Food, 10 out of 10. Service, 5 out of 10. Setup of the restaurant, the way they work things, 2 or 3 out of 10.
Yeah, it's pay as you go, which means obviously, and we had about 2 or 3 different serves, didn't we?
Yeah.
Different people kept bringing us different things, so we don't know who to tip and who not to tip.
Yeah, I mean we had you pay as you go. You can't come at the end of it and go, nobody comes around and asks yeah, is it okay?
Yeah,
How's everything going?
Yeah, nobody asked if your meal was alright, did they?
Yeah, nobody cares because you've already paid for it. Whereas normally you'd have it'd be on a tab, you'd come and ask for it, and you say, no, it's not, and you sort it out at the end. So
Yeah.
what you're going to do, if you have a really bad meal, you've got to argue for a refund back on your card. It's just, yeah, not the way to work it.
Yeah, the food was good.
Yeah.
Very, very good. One of the serves, well, two of the serves that we had about 5 servers.
Yeah, I think 5 people.
Two of them were really good.
Yeah.
Other one, I think she'd gone to the seaside to go and get salt from the sea mines.
Yeah.
Yeah. Another guy was, I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, when you say, do you want salt and vinegar, I expect like a salt pot and a vinegar pot, especially in a restaurant.
Yeah.
And we got packet like we would hang it out. And the cheapest little greasy spoon, they're not greasy spoon prices. You know,
No.
food, like I say, food amazing.
Excellent, yeah.
Food amazing. I recommend the food to anybody.
Yeah.
But the actual overall experience, I don't know whether I recommend it to anybody at all.
No, not
It's
at
a
all.
shame.
So it's good night from Chesterfield.
Yeah, I mean, it's good night from me as well, and I'm not called Chesterfield.
I'm just going to palpate the spire at night. Look at that beautiful thing. Hey, and that's not the moon, that's a street light shining. Round the back of the theatre, doing a dramatic walk back to the car. If you say drama, we say dramatise. You don't say dramatise, do you? Yeah. And although I can hear cars, I know I'm quite safe because there's bollards at the end.
Same to you.
Good night from us.